How to send stars on Facebook Reels. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can send stars on Facebook Reels. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch Facebook application and head towards the Reels section. So once you're under the Reels section, you have to find the Reels or that account where you want to send the stars. So under that Reels, if you navigate to your left hand side, just above the profile name, there is a small option that says show your support. So tap on it. And here it says send a gift. So from this option available, you can select the amount of stars that you want to send. If you want to go with the 10 stars, you can select that. If you want to go with 20 stars, then you can select the second option. After that, you can also add a comment with your gift. And once you're done, tap on send for the displayed amount here. After that, if you have not added your debit or credit card, you'll be prompted to add your debit or credit card. So add your debit or credit card, and once you have successfully added, now you can send stars to the specific account. And that's it. That's how you can send stars on Facebook Reels. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.